Does it ever drive you crazy trying to sharpen some little bitty thing like this on the grinder? Yeah, me too. So I have developed a sharpening jig for cutter bits for hollowing systems. It's really pretty cool. This will accept 1/4 inch bits. It'll also accept 3/16 inch bits, and even the little tiny 3/16 inch bits with a round shaft on it with this adapter that I made. The system comes with its own depth gauge, so you can consistently set the exposure of the tool like so. So when you go to the grinder, you're doing it the same way. The other cool thing is this adjusts in many different ways. So the jig works perfectly with a Wolverine system with an arm. It will even work with systems that have this type of arm on it. You can bring the tool in, the jig in like this. This adjusts up and down, and then you move the arm in and out. By moving the arm in and out, you set the angle right here. I'm at about 55 degrees. By moving this up and down, you set the angle on the sides. So once you have it adjusted to your system, you can easily regrind your tool tips. The important thing is that everybody's system's a little bit different. With Wolverine, they say set this at 6.5 to 6.25 inches off the center. So you're going to have to mess with it just a little bit to get it adjusted in, but that's why the adjustment helps you get it dialed into exactly where you want it. You can also regrind your tools and put a different grind on them. But can you see this little swept back right here? Make sure when you grind them, it's sweeping back, not up. If it sweeps back, that means this is narrower than the top, and the cutter will work really well. Now let me show you the adapter for the little tiny cutters. So this was the challenge. How do I hold these little tiny cutters? This is one for my contour bar that I make. It also will work with other cutters that other hollowing systems use. So you slide it into here. As a 3/16 inch hole in there, so it will accept any cutter that's 3/16 or a little bit smaller. Then this goes into the 1/4 inch slot right here. I use my setback here, slide it out, get my depth set real quick, lock it in, and now I can go to the grinder and sharpen this one.